Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. So, this week we got an email from Happily Ever Edmondson. Yes, I think that's how it goes. And it reads as follows. Hi Miss Planet. I'm a first-time DIYer and a young bride on a very strict budget. I want to attempt and successfully make my own table centerpieces. You will. Trust me, you will. However, I'm somewhat apprehensive to begin. I would really appreciate it if you would feature my project on your show and show me step by step how to recreate this piece that I love. I'm getting married soon and plan on buying the supplies and creating the centerpieces in advance. Thank you so much for helping us brides recreate the wedding design concepts of our dreams. Well, Edmondson, I am so excited to tell you that that's exactly what we're going to do this week. And we're going to do it creating a $5 candlestick from Dollar Tree Steels. Can't wait to show you how we do it. So, with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Dollar Tree Inspired Candlestick Centerpiece. Okay guys, let's go. So we're going to put this candlestick centerpiece together with 3 4-inch tapered glass candlesticks as well as 1, can you believe it, margarita glass. Yes, so putting this together with our E6000. The key is to do it a step at a time. So attach the first candlestick to the bottom of the margarita glass, place some sort of weight on top of it, a book is what I usually use, and let that dry overnight. Then add the next piece to it, let that dry for probably about 3 hours, and then finally add the last piece and let that dry for an additional 3 hours. Doing it step by step may take a little longer, but your candlestick will not fall apart on you. The key to this centerpiece is that we want the candlesticks to look as if we just found them in an antique store. So, in order to achieve that look, I'm going to use Gold Chiffon Marbleized Spray Paint by Krylon. As you can see, it adds just the touch we need. We're now ready to add our 8-inch styrofoam ball. We're going to do this first by cutting out a hole the same diameter of the rim of our candlestick, and you're going to cut your hole about an inch to an inch and a half deep. Now ignore the other carvings because frankly that's from a different project. You guys know I recycle and reuse everything. Attach the styrofoam ball using hot glue, and in this case I would probably add a little hot glue to the inside of the ball, but be careful because the glue can and will drip, causing you to maybe have to do some touch-up spray painting. So for this centerpiece we're going to create more of an oblong shape, and we're going to do that by first attaching 2 large purple hydrangea heads in keeping with the color scheme of our bride's request. And then we're going to attach an additional 6 to 8 pink hydrangea heads. So next we're going to attach anywhere between 6 to 8 pink peonies. These are 2 different color pink peonies, like again, in sticking with our bride's color scheme. Also, if you cannot find the peonies, pink roses will work just fine. This next step is a perfect example of adding your less expensive flowers with your more expensive artificial flowers. So the smaller purple ones are purple roses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and the larger, they call them Real Touch roses, are ones that I purchased from Amazon. So just note that you can do that, mix those textures and a little bit of that color, and it just adds more depth to your centerpiece. So for this next step, you have options. I chose to separate my orchid stems just to give me a little bit more freedom in placement, but you don't have to. You can keep the orchids on one single stem and just drape them over. So finally, to balance out the one side of the cascading orchids, we're going to use three 4 to 5 inch long gem garland strands. And we're going to attach them to the opposite side using our floral pins. Well, happily ever Edmondson, I sure hope we made you happy. We sure had a blast creating this beautiful Dollar Tree inspired candlestick centerpiece just for you and your special day. Please let us know if you like this video by liking us. Go ahead and send us a comment, ask us a question. That is what we are here for. In addition, you can subscribe. Just push that subscribe button and be the first to know when our new videos are posted every single Wednesday. We just love spending this time with you. And if you want to spend more time with us, why don't you go ahead and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. And by all means, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, where you will find the written and picture instructions for our projects. In addition, if we can help you with the plan, click on our project request tab and follow the easy steps. We would love to fit you into our schedule. Well, guys, as always, it has been an absolute pleasure taking this time with you. Thank you for sharing it with us. We know you have many options out there, and so we just so appreciate you choosing to spend your time with us. Well, with that being said, please always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. See you soon. Take care. God bless.